How to change mobile data billing cycle on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and then tap on connections. Then scroll down and tap on data usage. From here, scroll down and tap on billing cycle and data warning. Next, tap on start billing cycle on. And from the list here, scroll down to on the day or on the date that you want to change. So let's say if your mobile billing start on the 20th of each month. So in here, you would select the 20th and then tap on set. And here we have now set your start billing cycle on the 20th of each month. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.